Good morning, students. This is Miss Jones, your librarian. Today we were talking about using information resources. We're going to do a review first. But first, before we review, we want to talk about the Voki classroom project that you're supposed to be creating. You're supposed to be making a Voki about yourself, saying, I am dictionary. When we get ready to do our group activities, some students will do the Voki activity and some students will be working on the group activity. First, we're going to log into Voki Classroom so you can see the instructions with the instructions that was given by my Voki. I'm typing in my user ID and password. I'm going to retype it in. It didn't go through. This is Voki Classroom and we're going to create a Voki. Let's go to Voki so you can see what my Voki told you last week, gave you instructions. We're going to review the instructions. I'm going to click on my Voki and my Voki is going to come up. Last week you saw several Vokis. You saw one about the president, one I did with my students from last year. This is my Voki and this is the instructions she gave you. What she's doing.
Hello. My name is Mrs. Jones Dictionary. I am an information resource. I am a book of words listed in alphabetical order. My parts are made up of guide words, entry words, a pronunciation guide, parts of speech and syllabication, which is a syllable that is a word part with one vowel. I hope you will enjoy using me as an informational resource to look up the definition of words and to help you pronounce meaning of words. Have a wonderful time using the pages of my book.
Now I'm going to show you how to create your own Voki. This is where you go. You go to Voki Classroom and you choose, up here you're going to choose the character you want to choose. But right now I'm going to go to my text and I'm going to copy this text so I can put it in my Voki that I want to show you how to create. That way it'll be quicker. I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to put it in a Word document. Oops, that's not where we want to be. Let's find another Word document. Well, I'm going to put it in this Word document and put it on the last page. I'll paste it here. So many templates come up. Then I'm going to log off on the Miss Anderson Jones and I'm going to log in as a student to show you how to create your own Voki. Each person have their own user ID and password. I'm going to go to, I don't want it to remember my password, so I'm going to click out don't remember my password. Go to the Voki Classroom part because each student have their own personal Voki ID and you don't want the computer to remember it, so you're going to click do not remember. Then I'm click log in. This is how your Voki classroom site will look. We will create a Voki about each information resource that we go on, because I feel like it will make an exciting project to help you learn about the information resources. The first one we're going to create is I'm a dictionary, and this is how your screen should look. You're to create a Voki in which you will describe yourself as a dictionary, tell what the dictionary is used for and how you are used. Write a 1 to 2 paragraph. So what you would do is click the edit button here. We won't go into a lot of great details. We're just going to show you how to go in there and create your Voki, because we got to talk more about information resources today. You want to choose whatever character you want. What you would do is go here and click on the head, and you could go through. They got different characters that you could go through and choose the one that you think that you would like to use. You can go through the screen. I'm going to quickly choose one because I want you to show you how to do it. You can do a 3D character. Let's say we'll do a 3D character. I'll choose this lady here. Maybe I'll choose her. And then you could choose clothes, what you want her to wear. We'll choose this suit. This one don't have jewelry. She's casual. Once you finish, you could click done. You don't have to choose a lady, but you can choose a cartoon character. If you were at home, you could use your voice to record the Voki information, but now we're at school, so each time we come to class, we want to finish our Voki. When we're out for the Christmas break, if you don't have a chance to do your Voki, you could create it at home, and you could use the telephone to record your voice, or you could use text or speech or a microphone. I'm going to click text or speech, and you want to make sure you choose an English voice. There's different voices you could choose. That's English, but it says Paul, so that's a man's voice. I want to choose Jennifer, and then I'm going to take the information that I highlighted, and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to go to my, or you can say hello. Hi, my name is Mrs. Jones, or I am a dictionary. Let's go to my page where I put my information. I could just copy it and paste it and put it on there to save some time. I'm copying it, and let's see if it'll paste on there, because some applications won't. Say Control Command V. Hello, my name is Miss Jones. I am an information resource, and I will click Done. You can add color also to your Voki, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. And you can also add a background. If you wasn't pleased with your background, you could choose a background. Let's do outdoors. Let's put her outdoors. We'll put her, since we press for time, we'll put her behind the house. We'll click Done. You can choose whatever scene you want, and then you can click Save if that's what you want to do for your Voki. She's saving right now. We're going to speed up quickly. This is the Voki you did, and you need to preview it first before you send it to me, because I'm going to grade it down there. You need to view your Voki just in case you don't like it. Once you preview it, then you could always go back and edit and then click Save again. We're waiting for it to come up. It's taking a while. Let's hear what it says.
Hello. My name is Mrs. Jones Dictionary. I'm an information resource.
Okay. You're going to close it out. And that's what you're going to do. Some groups are going to go to Voki Classroom and they're going to create a Voki while others will work on a group project. Now let's go to, we're going to close our Voki out. We're going to minimize it. Let's go to our information resource PowerPoint. First we want to look at our school objectives. Let's bring it up forward so you can see it more. Our first objective says, I will locate information using a variety of reference sources such as dictionaries, almanacs, internet, nonfiction books, newspapers, magazines, and brochures. Objective number 2 says, I will identify the reference material to be found to find the needed information. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to review some information and we're going to do some activities from there. These are our Louisiana GLEs and standards for 3rd grade through 4th graders. GLE 3.6, GLE 3.43, GLE 4.1 for 4th grade, GLE 4.42, GLE 4.42, and GLE 4.43. All these GLEs are concerned with using information resources such as locating information, using organizational features for a variety of resources, including electronic information such as pull-down menus, icons, key searches, passwords, entry menu features, printed text such as the Dewey Decimal System, looking and locate information using books, periodicals, videos, websites, and that's what we're going to do using information resources such as an atlas, a newspaper, a magazine, and brochures. When you take the state test, you're going to need to know what the information resources are. So we're going to go and minimize this page, and we're going to click on our PowerPoint that we're going to look at today. Let's make it bigger. And we're going to go and view the PowerPoint slideshow. Let's click on slideshow. Go to the top. Let's view our slideshow. Choosing resources for information. Using information resources, grades 3rd through 5th grade. An almanac contains facts such as weather, population, currency, and geographical data. An atlas contains maps, and most atlases also have mileage indicators. The internet contains current information on many topics, including current weather. It also has online encyclopedias and other types of resources. A live interview provides a first-hand account of a person's experiences. The newspaper gives us the most current daily news such as current events, sports information, and daily weather. The encyclopedia has information on many general topics and people in history. The dictionary will give correct spellings of words, their meanings, and how to pronounce a word. A library automation system, for example, our online catalog, will give you the names of authors, titles of books available, and a listing of books available in the library. With our library automation system, if you want to search for a book, you could search by author, title, or book. Right now, this is a quick review, but as you know, we've been talking about the dictionary, and this is a quick review of some of the information resources that we would talk about.